Exceptional cozy and spotless room. Host is very responsive and accommodating too. Will definitely book again. Exceptional nice place to stay. Exceptional clean and cozy place. Easy to transact with hosts. Exceptional great accommodation. Great location, clean room. Loved how this is at the center of Thomas Murado. Downstairs there's a supermarket, convenience store, bank, massage, food options among others. The room is nicely decorated and clean. Host is responsive. Only concern is Netflix is not working, but thank you. Smile. Nice. Exceptional. The place is really nice. Pleasant stay. I asked the staff about the reviews of other regarding the pests and they told me that Ted had a pest control. When we arrived at the place, I found it very clean and no pests in sight. I feel relaxed during my stay because of how they decorate the area. Overall a great experience and will book again if I ever plan to have a staycation. Best place to stay. My stay was really great. It was my second time. And I'll do it again and again. Thank and God bless. Great stay. I had a great stay here. Very comfortable bed and couch. Very quiet with thick walls so you don't hear the people around you. The location is within a 3-minute walk to the mall next door for food and entertainment. A public park is also located on the back side of the building with a walking path and basketball court. There is a collection of small pools on the ground floor to lounge at or swim in. The host was very responsive and made sure my needs were taken care of and all my questions were answered. I would definitely stay again when I return to Quezon City. Great stay. Unit is great overall. The host is easy to contact and very responsive. Only complaint is about the building, sobrang bagaling elevators. Not sure if nasaktahan lang na maintenance. Exceptional okay. Kudos. The condo is very strategic. A lot of option to eat and dine. The place is quite good since it has all the things that you need during your stay like cooking and dine and stuff. There are no shampoos and bath soap but you can easily buy them downstairs. Wi-Fi connection is fast too. Check-in was very smooth and condo staff was very friendly. Parking was a challenge as there are no condo parking. Parking at the mall is very expensive. We instead parked at the side street and made arrangements with a security guard which was a lot cheaper. Most commendable is Jeff who is very easy to reach out and responds to queries ASAP. Thanks Jeff. All in all, it was a very comfortable stay and I will surely book and stay with them again in future. Kudos, thumbs up emoji. Relaxing. It's very hotel clean. Smooth check-in. They do not have double lock on the door from the inside. Cleanliness. The blanket and pillowcases were smelly. It didn't smell like it was newly replaced/washed. Cozy and nice. The room is really nice. We originally booked for 2 nights but we extended for 1 more night because we liked the place. I only had one problem with the ref, it's not working and the remote for the TV is hard to use too. But overall, they are really attentive to your concerns and needs. They sent us ice cooler so our grocery won't get spoiled. They also assisted with the reservations for the pool, but my advice is don't swim at night. It's so cold. We paid 300 pesos per person for the pool entrance since it's a holiday but we only dipped for less than a minute since it's really cold. We just took photos by the pool. Overall, we are satisfied. It may have flaws but the kindness of the owners topped it all off. Overall stay is good. Netflix is working fine and the unit has fast internet. The host is very reachable. Place was quite and perfect if you're looking for a relaxing stay. There are no free shampoo/soap but the towel is clean. All cooking items are working.